Hey everyone, I've got some amazing news for you today. Epic Games and Discord just dropped an awesome deal. They're giving away a full month of Discord Nitro completely free. I'm super excited to show you how to grab this before it disappears. So listen up. This offer is only running from May 15th to June 12th, 2025. That's less than a month to claim it. And guess what? It works whether you've had Nitro before or not. Getting this freebie is super simple. Let me walk you through it. First, fire up your Epic Games launcher. You know, the same one you use for Fortnite or whatever games you play. Once it's open, just click that search bar at the top and type in Discord Nitro. When you see the Discord Nitro add-on pop up in the results, go ahead and click on it. Now, here's a crucial tip. Make sure you've got the right offer by checking the release date. Look for May 15th, 2025 on the page. I've seen people mess this up with old promotions before, so double check. You'll see a message saying, "Get 1 month of Discord Nitro on us." That's the one we want. Just click that Get button. It'll load your order showing $0. Gotta love that price tag, right? Hit place order and wait for the magic "Thanks for your order" message. Now, the final step. Check your email inbox for a message with the subject Discord Nitro giveaway offer. Open it up, smash that Redeem Now button, and boom, you're all set. Just like that, you've unlocked a whole month of premium Discord features. Custom profiles, HD streaming, those hilarious custom emojis, bigger file uploads, all the good stuff. If this helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech tips.